Hey guys, how's it going? How to refine answers with using Perplexity AI. Refining answers in Perplexity AI involves interacting with the tool to get more specific. Go ahead to the official website. Start with a clear query, right? Frame your initial question clearly. For example, AI benefits. Sorry for that. Okay. Benefits. Okay. And instead of asking that AI benefits, you could just ask as well, to make it more clear, of course, what are what are the benefit of AI in healthcare? Okay. And then use the follow-up question after you enter that question to get a summarized answer. Okay, we're gonna refresh the page and we're gonna type right here, what are the benefits of AI in healthcare? Right? Question mark, hit enter, and you're gonna be able to see the answer from here. And then use the follow-up questions, right? You can see the related right here. If one of these questions intrigues you, just go ahead and click the plus button next to it if you want to see what's the real answer, right? And use the follow-up question if you have questions of your own, right? Can you explain more, for example? Explain more about certain area of the article or report, right? Aspect for this example, right? And then you can use what are the sources for this data, or how does this compare to another concept, okay? And then leverage the chat feature. Perplexity AI's conversational mode allows you to refine answers by asking contextual questions without needing to rephrase the entire query, right? So you're gonna be able to just chat with the Perplexity just so you can refine your answer. You can go ahead to spaces, right? You're gonna see right here, brainstorm buddy. You can go ahead and start a new thread with the brainstorm buddy, an example of how you can customize the AI instructions for a space to have AI help you generate creative ideas, right? You could talk with the Perplexity so you can basically generate creative ideas, right? Ask sources for evidence, okay? Let me go back to my thread. Let me click the library. Let's compare here. And let's say I'm in climate change, right? Ask for sources or evidence. To ensure credibility, what are the top sources for this information? Just type, what are the top sources for this info, right? Hit enter, okay? And next, keep refining by building on a previous answers. Like, what are, if we're talking about, climate change, what are the implication, right, of that specific topic, right? And drill down further. How does this thing, like climate change, compare to something happened like thousands of years ago? Okay, you can use that, or you can use the implication to dive deeper, right? And use keywords for clarity, right? For example, explain in layman's terms, right? Or any famous figure who talked about this specific topic, right? Or provide a technical explanation, focus on environmental benefits, and then ask for summaries or simplification if the answer was too long, right? Or if the answer was complex, request can you summarize this? You can just type right here. Type, can you summarize this? Okay. And then just combine queries. Ask the AI to integrate insights. Combine insights from these two perspectives. Right? You could just type right here. If you ask follow-up questions and you have all the complex answer and simplified all of your answers, just type from here, can you summarize this? Right? Or combine between these two perspective. Okay, and then go ahead and forward it, and you're gonna be able to see the answer and validate and cross-check. Right, use the provided citations to verify the information or cross-check it with other sources for accuracy or credibility. At the top, we gotta find it right here. And by iterating and interacting in these ways, you can refine answers from Perplexity AI to make them more tailored to your needs. So, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.